Welcome once again to Sharif Technologies YouTube channel. As you all know what we've been doing here, for today's video we are going to look on how we can use App Store or Play Store on your device. So after locating it, just click on it to open. After open, search for Microsoft Bing. So search for Microsoft Bing. That's how it looks like. Just like what you are seeing on the screen. So after searching for it, just download. After installing it, just open or click on open to launch the app. So as you can see on the screen, within the red section, you click or tap on ask me anything. That button, you click on it. After clicking on it, you will see a page like this or a screen like this. Then where there is the red box, ask me anything, that is that search box, you click there, you click on that search box. After clicking on it, please don't type anything in it, but rather click on let's chat like showed on the screen, like what I'm displaying on the screen. Okay, so you click on let's chat, and also let's now compare the GPT-3 and the GPT-4. That's the 3.5. Okay, so let us now compare their capabilities for you to be sure that you are now using the GPT-4. So I am going to ask each of them a question, or let me give them the same question. There's this politician in my area here, which is Honorable Alhaji Saidu Haruna. He's the MP for Wenchi constituency. So I'm going to ask each of them this question, and this is where I asked ChatGPT-4, who is Honorable Alhaji Saidu Haruna. That's ChatGPT-4. That's what I just showed you right now using the Microsoft Bing. Okay, and this is also the ChatGPT 3.5. I also asked it this question, who is Honorable Alhaji Said Haruna, and this is what ChatGPT 3 give me, or this is its answer to the question, who is Honorable Alhaji Said Haruna. It says that as of my last knowledge update in September 2021, I don't have information on Honorable Alhaji Said Haruna. It is possible that he gained prominence or entered the public sphere after that date. If you could provide me with more context or details, I will be happy to help with any information I might have. Okay, that is its question. Okay, so you all can see that our question is not yet answered. So let's look at what this ChatGPT-4 tool will tell us. It is also saying that Honorable Alhaji Saidu Haruna is a Ghanaian politician and member of parliament for the Wenchi constituency in the Bono region of Ghana. He was born on 4 February 1974 and has a master's in business administration and marketing. He is a member of the National Democratic Congress, which is into NDC, and the Special Budget Committee. He is also a farmer and a Muslim. He won the parliamentary seat in 2021 with 51.1% of the votes, defeating the incumbent George Jaimbafor of the New Patriotic Party. He is known for his philanthropy, especially towards persons living with disabilities. So we can see that this ChatGPT-4 give us an additional information, or like give us more detailed answer. And even this ChatGPT 3.5 didn't even answer the question, and this one, it has answered the question and yet added some details to it. So I think you can now see that you are now on the ChatGPT-4 without purchasing, without no even sign up. That's just easy. So please, I think you have enjoyed this video, so I'll beg you, or I'll like you to subscribe to this channel, and also like this video and share it to others so that they can also benefit from it, this channel and this video particularly. So guys, thank you for watching.